Hi there! This video will show you how to create and use custom brushes in Illustrator to help you design packaging. Custom brushes can be used to add to your designs or create your own brush-like strokes. For all custom brushes, you will have to start with a vector. To add your own designs, begin with a vector that you would like to use. Then, go to the Brush menu and select the Add Brush option at the bottom. From here, select Art Brush. Then you can set the settings of your brush. To have your vector stretch with your stroke, select Stretch to fit stroke length. If there are parts you would like to keep proportionate, select Stretch between guides, and then move the guidelines to only go over the parts you would like to stretch. Finally, set the colorization method to tint so that you can change the color later. Then, you can begin using your brush to create unique variations on your designs. Here, you can see the difference between the stretch to fit stroke length and stretch between guides options. To create brush-like strokes, begin by adding a photo of a stroke you would like to use. Then, vectorize it by using the Image Trace function by going to the top menu and selecting Object, Image Trace, Create and Expand. From here, use the Eraser tool to ensure that the top and bottom of the stroke are even. You can keep a straight line by holding Shift while moving your cursor. Then, once you're ready, go to the bottom of the Brush menu to add a new brush. Select Art Brush and select Stretch between guides, setting the guides to the section where the brush stroke is consistent. Finally, change the colorization method to Tint. And now you can use your own brush-like strokes. Just like that, you're able to use custom brushes to add unique designs to your packaging. Happy designing!